Good morning, guys. Monday morning here. Just woke up. I'll show you outside. Oh boy. Look. It's all white again. I thought winter is over. Last week we had a very nice weather in the mid 50s or almost 60s, and now it's snowing again. I heard it's gonna be, or the weather channel says it's gonna be snowing till 4, but it shouldn't. It shouldn't last long. I mean, it should melt by tomorrow. It shouldn't be a lot, but it's windy. Ooh, brr. That's Minnesota for you. Oh. Okay, see you later, guys. I'm gonna take shower and see what for breakfast. Hi guys, welcome back. We'll cook breakfast oatmeal with carrots. I have here 2.5 cups of water. Bring it to a boil, and once it boils, drop this 1 cup of oatmeal. And while we're waiting for that to boil, I have here 1 carrot peeled and washed and grated. Okay, done. 1 carrot is grated. Water is boiling. Now you can drop the oatmeal. Pinch of salt. 5 minutes is done. You can add go ahead, add you can add the carrots. Bring to a boil again. And you can, I like raisins, so I'm adding the small box of raisin. You can use golden raisin, any kind of raisin. And a sprinkle of cinnamon, ground cinnamon, 2. Cinnamon gives like heat. Good for your body if you're feeling cold. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. It's up to you guys how sweet you want your oatmeal. Then cook for another 3 minutes. I'm using old-fashioned so it takes longer to cook compared to the what do you call the instant oatmeal. This one's got like a bigger, larger grain. This is done, and I'm using almond milk. You can add maybe a cup. Bring to a boil one more time, and this is done. I'm preparing omelette. Red bell pepper and scallion, green onions, and 2 eggs. Oatmeal is done. Salt and pepper. Put in the scallion and the red bell pepper. A little bit of butter. It's a non-stick pan, you don't need a lot of butter. Although butter makes your food taste good. Yummy goodness. Oatmeal with carrots and raisin and brown sugar and cinnamon. Cinnamon. Breakfast is served. Omelette and oatmeal with carrots, grated carrots, raisin, cinnamon, and brown sugar, and the milk I'm using is almond milk. And my omelette, 2 eggs, red bell pepper, and green onions, and salt and pepper. Let's eat, guys. Breakfast, see? Yummy. Start your day eating healthy breakfast. Oatmeal and carrots. May vegetable na. And your protein, egg omelette. Yesterday was nice day. The past week it was in the mid-50s. I thought it's spring. Oh no, like a week from now it's gonna be spring. But technically now it's still winter. But it was spring-like weather already last week. And then the Mr. Good Old Winter came back. Winter storm started last night until 4 this afternoon. But it's not much snow. By tomorrow it's gonna be gone. It's like in the mid-30s tomorrow. See you later, guys. Oh boy. It's still snowing. See how it even wider now? It's 10 o'clock. 10:30. And look. More snow's coming. It's still snowing, guys. It's 4 o'clock. 3:30.